In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a REPL in Replit. Duplicating a REPL is a great way to experiment safely, create backups of your work, or spin up a new project based on an existing one without touching the original. By the end, you'll have a clean copy you can rename and start editing right away. First, open your web browser and search for Replit. You can type Replit into your search engine or go directly to the official site. When the results appear, click the correct link to the Replit homepage. Make sure you're on the legitimate Replit website before moving forward. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, usually at the top right. Click it to sign in. Replit lets you continue with Google or use an email-based login. Choose the option you prefer and complete the sign-in process. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. Next, go to your dashboard, where all your projects, called Repls, are listed. Locate the REPL you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar or sort options to find it quickly. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact REPL you want to copy, especially if you have similarly named projects. When you've found it, move your cursor to the REPL's name and look for the three dots icon, often shown as a vertical ellipsis. Click those three dots to open a small menu of options related to that project. This menu is where Replit tucks away useful actions you don't need all the time. From the drop-down, click the option labeled Remix or sometimes Fork. Replit may use either term depending on the interface version you're seeing, but they mean the same thing here. Create a new, identical copy of the selected REPL in your account. Replit will generate the duplicate almost instantly. You'll be taken into the new project's editor, which is a full copy of the original files, settings, and structure. Now is a good time to rename it so you can tell it apart from the source. Click the project title and give it a clear, descriptive name. Something like My App Remix or Project Name Test Copy works well. From here, you can start editing, testing new features, or customizing the code without risking changes to the original. That's it. You searched for Replit, signed in, found your project on the dashboard, opened the three-dot menu, chose Remix or Fork, and received a ready-to-edit copy. Keep your originals pristine, use duplicates for exploration, and maintain clear names so your workspace stays organized.